Hi, 7th grade. Hope you had a good weekend and that you were active this weekend, got outside, went on some bike rides, did something to enjoy the great weather. Your PE assignment from your PE teacher this week is every day I want you to get outside, do something for at least an hour, go on a bike ride, go on a walk, sit in your backyard, whatever it is, but something to enjoy this great weather. Let's take advantage of having time to be outside and to enjoy it. So I want to talk to you about our lesson for today. For Monday, we are going to be doing 10.2 about probability. But before we get jump started into our lesson for today, I have a fantastic joke of the day. You're going to love it. So here we go, covering up the answer for you. What pencil did Shakespeare write with? You ready for this one? A 2B. Do you get it? There's a number 2 pencil and Shakespeare said to be or not to be. You should be laughing a little harder than you are. This is a good one. So hope you enjoyed. All right, but let's talk about probability. So as you go through and watch your videos for today, the essential question that I want you to be thinking about is, how can you describe the likelihood of an event? So probability, like I said last time, we're talking about Vegas. We're talking about, what are my chances of winning the millions when I go to the casino, that type of a thing. So probability, something that they're going to talk about today, and I want to kind of show you, is the probability of an event is written as a fraction. So on the top, it's the number of favorable outcomes, and on the bottom, it's the number of possible outcomes. So if I've got that bag of different colored marbles, and there's 10 of them in there, and I said, what is the probability of drawing a red marble? Well, the number of favorable outcomes would be, well, how many red marbles are in that bag? If there's 3 red marbles, then the number of favorable ones would be 3 over the total number of marbles, which would be 10. So you write it as a fraction, and then you simplify it if it's possible. You can't simplify 3/10, so you would leave that. But if there were 2 red marbles and you had 2 over 10, then you would simplify and said the probability is 1 over 5. So that's kind of what your videos are going to show you as you watch them today. The other thing that they're going to talk to you about is they're going to talk to you about the likelihood of something happening. So if you imagine a number line here, and we've got 1, 1/2, and 1, and then here's a quarter and 3/4. Sometimes they do it as percentages, 0%, 50%, 100%. If something's at 0, it's impossible. If it's around 25%, it's unlikely. So if the weatherman says, there's a slight possibility of rain, but it's unlikely, that means there's about a 1/4 chance or 25% chance. If it's equally likely or unlikely, it's right at about 50%. Likely is right around 3/4, and certain is 100%. So when they say, hey, there's 100% chance of rain, it is going to rain. So that's what this means. So you're going to be doing stuff that deals with this as well. So make sure that you are watching the videos that I have put on the homework page every day. Your math lesson, your 10.2, is not due until next Sunday at 10 o'clock at night, but I would very, 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 very strongly suggest that you do it before that time. Don't save all your math homework for the weekend. That's not any fun. I do want to say great job to you guys, though. You were the very first class for this week to get all of your big ideas turned in. Every single one of you guys did it. You did it right off the bat. So good job to you. There are a few of you guys who have not finished your Imagine Math. That's due Sunday tonight at 10 o'clock, although by the time you see this, it's going to be past due and you'll just have to make them up the next week. Let's not do that, okay? So remember, for this week, you've got 3 Imagine Math that you have to do, and you need to pass at least 2. So if you have questions on any of that stuff, email me and let me know, and I will help you out. So enjoy your time this week. Get your stuff done, set a schedule for yourself, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.